Hey there! Ever wonder how AI turns messy data into smart insights? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking approach that's redefining how AI processes information, blending stability, creativity, and precision to solve real-world problems. Let's unpack this step by step. Here's the thing, data isn't always AI-ready. It's like trying to cook a meal with random ingredients. No recipe, no guarantee it'll taste good. That's where feature transformation comes in. It's the process of rewriting raw data into a format AI can understand. Think of it as giving your data a makeover so it can shine. But here's the catch. Traditional methods are, well, tricky. Machine learning models. They're stable but can spew out math disasters, like dividing by zero. And large language models. They're creative but unstable, acting like a recipe that changes every time you cook it. So how do we fix this? The answer: teamwork. Researchers paired two AI powerhouses, machine learning for stability and large language models for creativity. It's like having a chef who knows the rules and a mad scientist who's always experimenting. Together, they create features that are both valid and reliable. Let's break down their four-step magic. 1. Golden examples. An LLM generates thousands of feature transformations, like a master chef testing recipes. 2. Smart search. ML models analyze these examples, like a detective hunting for the best clues in a maze. 3. Student LLM. A smaller AI learns from the best examples, picking up the teacher's tricks without the overhead. 4. Collaborative decode. The final step merges ML's precision with LLM's creativity, like a navigator using a map to stay on track. The results: a 5% performance boost and half the errors. Imagine a recipe that's both delicious and consistent. This isn't just about better scores. It's about making AI practical for real-world problems, from healthcare to finance. But here's the kicker: this isn't just about AI. It's a lesson in collaboration. By blending structure with creativity, we're unlocking solutions no single tool could achieve alone. Now let's pivot to another fascinating angle: how AI models handle math. When researchers tested a language model like Llama 3.2, they found it loves simple math, think addition and subtraction, while barely using advanced operations like exponents or logarithms. Contrast that with traditional AI methods, which spread their bets between simple and complex operations. It's like comparing a chef who only uses salt and pepper to one who experiments with exotic spices. But why does this happen? The study suggests LLMs prioritize getting an answer right over getting the perfect answer. They'd rather play it safe with basic math than risk errors with complicated formulas. This safety-first approach can lead to hallucinations when AI generates confident but incorrect results. It's not malicious, just a side effect of their training to prioritize relevance over precision. Here's the twist: even though LLMs avoid complex operations, there's no evidence their performance suffers. Why? Because feature transformation, turning raw data into useful insights, is inherently creative. There's no single right way to do it. It's like painting. There's no one correct brushstroke, just countless valid styles. This open-endedness makes LLMs surprisingly good at generating diverse solutions, even if they lean on simpler tools. But researchers didn't stop there. They tested ways to nudge LLMs toward complexity. By tweaking prompts to value diversity, adding step-by-step reasoning examples, or filtering out overly simple answers, they managed to double the use of complex operators. It's like teaching a student to think beyond the textbook. Still, the model's default is to stick to what feels safe. And here's a kicker: when analyzing how LLMs use data features, they found the models naturally gravitate toward the most important original data points, ignoring less relevant ones. It's as if they're instinctively picking out the stars in a dataset, skipping the noise. This suggests LLMs aren't just randomly generating answers. They're developing a kind of intuitive feature selection, which could reduce our reliance on traditional methods. So what's next? This research isn't just about math. It's about how AI learns to balance creativity and precision. By combining LLMs with smaller models, we're unlocking new possibilities in fields from medicine to physics. And who knows? Maybe one day, AI will master both the basics and the complex, turning safe into spectacular. So next time you see AI doing something amazing, remember, it's not magic. It's teamwork. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. Until next time, stay curious.